Is your Land Rover Discovery 5's alarm constantly blaring? You're not alone. The three most common causes are the proximity antenna, the bonnet switch, and the battery. The proximity antenna detects your key fob and can malfunction due to water damage or wiring issues, triggering false alarms. A faulty bonnet switch, often caused by dirt or misalignment, sends incorrect signals to the alarm system. Finally, a weak or failing battery can lead to voltage drops, mimicking a security breach and activating the alarm. Start troubleshooting the proximity antenna by checking connections in the door pillars and rear bumper. Look for corrosion or damage that could cause false signals. For the bonnet switch, ensure it's clean and properly aligned. WD-40 can help remove dirt. Disconnect the switch as a quick test. If the alarm stops, replace it. Test your battery's voltage with a multimeter. A reading below 12 volts indicates it may be failing. Consider replacement, especially if it's over 5 years old. For persistent issues, use an OBD2 reader for a diagnostic scan to pinpoint the exact problem. While DIY solutions like cleaning connections can save money, professional diagnosis is recommended for complex issues.